This is question number 28. Kea spent a quarter of his money on buying school uniform for his daughter, a third on books, and 2/3 of the remainder on food. The rest of the money was saved. What fraction of the money was saved? So, for this one, you can start by saying, let the salary be X. So what it means is that a quarter of X and a third of X, because a third on books. So a third of X, you can get what was spent on buying school uniform and the books. So you can get the LCM is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 1. So that is 3 minus plus. This is 12 divided by 3 multiplied by 1. That will be 4. Here we have X is equals to 7 over 12 of X. So it means 7 out of 12 of the salary was spent on buying school uniform and books. So what was the remainder? We have said the salary is X. So we can say it is X minus 7 over 12X, which you can say X and X, we can write it, it is 12 out of 12X, or we get the LCM of 12 minus 7 over 12X. So that will give you 12 minus 7, that is 5 over 12. That's 5 over 12X. So that was the remainder of after spending on school uniform and the books. Then 2/3 of the remainder on food. So on food, it is 2/3 of 5 over 12X of the remainder. So this will be 2 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 12X. And here we can simplify. Divide by 2, divide by 2, that is 6. So you have this is equals to 5 out of 18 of X. So that is what was spent on food. And remember, we have our remainder here. So what was a fraction of the money that was saved? Saved money, what had remained is 5 out of 12X, and what was spent on food is 5 out of 18. So we subtract 5 out of 18, and that is going to give us the amount that was saved. We can get the LCM here. Let's say it is 36. 36 divided by 12, that is 3 multiplied by 5, that's 15. You can say X minus 36 divided by 18 is 2 times 5, that will give us 10X, and this will give us 5 out of 36X. So that is what was saved. So 5 out of 36. So if you check the answers provided, A is a correct answer. A is a correct answer. The other answers are wrong. So that is how you work out. You must understand the question. For example, this can be confusing. It's a quarter of his money on buying school fees and a third on books. So it is talking of from the salary, a quarter of the salary, a third of the salary. But when it comes to the food, it is 2/3 of the remainder. So that's why we have worked it like that.